Okay. Good morning, y'all, and Merry Christmas! So basically, I'll come on this. It's like a Christmas Vlogmas update. That makes sense? Christmas Vlogmas update. Something like so. So basically, I'll come to tell y'all I'm so sorry. There will no longer be any more Vlogmas. Yeah, I'm so sorry though, because knowing that I started Vlogmas late, very late, with my lazy ass self, I started it very late, and there's no way to finish Vlogmas before the end of the year. So there will not be any more Vlogmas, but there will still be more vlogs. Of course, more vlogs. Why would I stop doing vlogs? Why? That's not me. Not to worry though, I have a video for y'all. A special video. A lit video. Right now I'm currently editing Christmas Day vlog, and after this video is posted, the Christmas Day is going to be posted after. I hope you guys really enjoy Christmas, eat a lot of food, have fun with family, friends and loved ones. Don't drink and drive. No, that's wrong. Is it wrong?
Yeah, it's wrong. Very wrong.
So no, like my little hat though. I'm really cute though. Thank you. So yeah, remember you guys, tell them what I'm saying, what the name. You guys comment y'all name what you would like for me to call y'all. Cause more time I don't like to see my subscribers, because you're not my subscribers.
Or like, hey guys.
Yeah, you are not really you're not my subscribers. You guys are family. If it was for you guys, I would be here right now. I would be making a video right now. You know what I mean? Like before I started YouTube, I was so nervous. I'd be like, I'm talking for the camera. Oh my god, you guys see me. But no, I'm used to it. It's a breeze, girl. It's a breeze. So yeah, because people, I was saying YouTube, people are think I'm weird. Why am I doing? But then again, I really find out that I'm weird. But yeah, I'm gonna really write the process stills. But yeah, thank you guys for supporting me throughout the year 2017. I hope you guys join with me within 2018 with me and Suki. What else I want to know?
Our video ideas.
Yeah, comment some video ideas. What would you like for us to do? Anything at all, anything crazy, anything what we want to do, we're gonna do them for you. We are trying our best for do them. And as I always say, stay merry. Mom, you say that? No, whatever you say that. As I always say, eat food, have fun, get fat like me. A joke. Don't get fat. Never lose the weight. 2018. Yeah, 2018. Never see me with big belly. Yeah, so I'm gonna exercise, or I should say eat all the food you can, have all the fun, and when 2018 come, go exercise it off. Yeah. What else I have to say? Basically that's it. Oh, always remember, you guys. How rude, Kayla just come and interrupt my video. And then we say, excuse me.
Have an explanation for the subscribers.
Girl.
How may I help you?
Tell them sorry.
Ryan, sorry. Let's see him.
So rude. But I don't remember the age. Anyways, yeah, that was just basically a Christmas Vlogmas update from me and
Suki.
And as I say, bye you guys, and I'll see you in my next upload, which will be shortly. I love you all.